Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my home kitchen today. And yeah, thanks to those who watched the last two videos, the road ones. Really enjoyed that. But freezing cold day today. Weather's turned nasty again. So I'm going to be making a nice hearty, sort of, I was going to say traditional pea and ham soup, but mine's just got a bit of a kick that makes it a little bit less traditional, and I'll show you that in a sec. But to start off with, I've got some olive oil here heating in my casserole dish, and I'm just going to add, use my hands a bit safer. I've got one brown onion I've just chopped up, got 2 carrots, just sort of coarsely chop them how you like, coarsely, finely, mine are sort of medium. I've got 2 stalks of celery, and I just saw my bay leaf fell in there too, so it can go in. I've just got 2 cloves of garlic that I've squashed, and they're quite big cloves, so in they go. Now what makes my pea and ham soup distinctive probably from most others, and I've been doing this for many years, is I've been adding a few cayenne green chilies, and I'm just going to coarsely chop them up as well. Now you might think that's a strange ingredient, but believe me, on a cold day like today, a little bit of a back taste of chili, your pea and ham soup is just yum. You can't beat it. And I can tell you, I've been doing it for years, and I would find it very hard to go back to pea and ham soup without some chili in it. Of course, it's entirely optional. It's up to you, but I'm recommending it. Right, so we'll just cook those down for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'll get back to you. Alrighty, once that's sweated down for a few minutes, I'm going to add my split green peas, and I've got a cup and a half of those, which is all I've done is rinse them. So haven't done a long soak or anything, but just give them a bit of a rinse in this strainer. Green peas. I know a lot of people use the yellow split peas, but yeah, as far as I'm concerned, peas are green. A bit controversial, but yeah, I couldn't imagine using any other peas than green ones. That's just me. I'm sure the yellow ones are fine, but you won't see them in my pot. Alright, so that's the peas. Let's get our bit of seasoning going. Salt. And as per usual, we'll do a bit of seasoning at the start and we'll check it more towards the end. I'm going to be adding some stock cubes to this as well, so be a little bit circumspect with the salt. But this is a dish that can handle a fair bit of salt as well. So let's get our ham hock into the picture. So that's about I think it was about a 900 gram hock, and I like the hocks as opposed to bacon bones because you get a fair bit of meat off them as well once it's all cooked down. And just sit it in there, and all we've got to do now is just add some water. I'm going to add about 1.5 litres, which probably won't completely cover that hock. Yeah, it's a bit sticking up, but that's fine. We'll just yeah, give it a bit of, as we're giving it a bit of a stir, and we'll sort of tip that around a bit every hour or so. So I'm going to be cooking this for, bringing that to a boil. This is just actually it's a beef stock cube, that's all I had, but use any sort of stock cubes you got, which I might put 2 in. Yeah, it doesn't matter, chicken, vegetable stock cube, whatever you got. And yeah, gonna sort of bring this to the boil and then let's let it simmer for maybe, I'm thinking around 2.5, 3 hours, but we'll see how we go. I'll check it after 2. Alrighty guys, so yeah, it's been about 2.5 hours. So just to save a bit of time, I just jumped ahead a bit. All I've done is taken that whole hock out of that soup mixture, let it cool down a little bit, got all the fat off it, and just sort of cut up and sort of picked the good meat off it and kept that in chunks. Just taken the soup mixture off the heat, and all I'm going to do now is get my little stick blender and give it a bit of a whiz up. Getting a bit of suction on the bottom there. Put our meat back in there. And all I'll do now is just get that back on the heat, just to heat that meat back through for another 5 or 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, so I've just plated up some of my pea and ham and chilli soup. I'm just going to taste it. I already did taste it while it was still in the pot. It doesn't need any extra seasoning. It's just perfect. So yeah, I mean, no point showing you close up. It's just soup, but you can see I've still got all these nice chunky bits of ham in there. I did put a couple of bits aside just for garnishing, but most of the ham's in there, and yeah, yum. I'll just try a bit just of the soup first. Yum. That is absolutely delicious, and I kid you not, that back note of that chili is just yum. It's just on the back of your throat there, and oh man. So you get that delicious pea, that ham, and then that little bit of just a little, shut up dog, bloody hell. Trying to let the door open to get some air through the place. Anyway. Living in suburbs, I digress. Let's try a bit with the ham in it. Yeah, sit. How about no barking rather than sit? Alright. What can I say, guys? That's just absolutely yum. And look, if you have never tried it with chili, give it a go. Like, honestly, don't knock it till you tried it. Right guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Good on ya. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. If you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.